Welcome to In the Moto. Today, we bring you the latest from Yoshimura's spectacular 70th anniversary celebration at the Suzuka 8 Hours. Let's dive into the highlights of this historic event. On July 20th, 2024, Yoshimura marked its 70th anniversary with a historic demo run. A key highlight of the event was the appearance of the Honda CB72, built by POP Yoshimura, which won the Suzuka 18 Hours race back in 1964. In addition to the CB72, the event featured the GS1000R, which won the Suzuka 8 Hours for the third time in 1980, and the GSX R1000, which claimed its 30th victory in 2007. These bikes symbolize Yoshimura's outstanding achievements in racing history. Legendary riders also joined the festivities, including Kunio Asakawa, who rode the GS1000R, and Satoshi Tsujimoto with the GSX R1000. Their skillful performances on these iconic machines captivated the audience. The event was further highlighted by a talk show featuring Fukuse Kuretome, the legendary CB72 rider. Kuretome shared valuable insights about his racing experiences and his memories with Yoshimura. The event concluded with an inspiring message from Fujio Yoshimura and enthusiastic applause from fans. This celebration was a fitting tribute to 70 years of Yoshimura's innovation and accomplishments in the world of racing. Thank you for watching In the Moto News. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel In the Moto updates and exclusive content from the world of motorcycles. See you in the next video.